What if I told you that you could make money while you sleep? No side hustle, no extra hours, no special skills required. It is called compound interest, and it is one of the most powerful financial forces in the world. Albert Einstein reportedly called it the eighth wonder of the world. And once you understand how it works, everything changes. Today we are breaking it all down. What compound interest is, how it works, and how you can use it to grow your wealth starting right now. Let's get into it. There are two types of interest, simple and compound. Simple interest is straightforward. You invest $1,000, you earn 10% a year, you get $100 every year. Flat, predictable, boring. Compound interest is different. You don't just earn interest on your original money. You earn interest on your interest. Your money grows on top of itself, over and over again. Here's a quick example. You invest $1,000 at 10% annual interest. Year 1, you have $1,100. Year 2, you have $1,210. Year 3, you have $1,331. You did not add a single extra dollar. It just kept growing on its own. Now imagine that over 30 years. That $1,000 becomes nearly $17,500. Time did all the work for you. That is the magic of compounding. For compound interest to work, you need three things. Principal, the money you start with. Even $50 a month matters more than you think. Interest rate, the higher the rate, the faster your money grows. A regular savings account giving you 0.5% is nothing compared to an index fund averaging 8 to 10% annually. And time, the most powerful ingredient of all. The earlier you start, the less money you actually need because time does the heavy lifting for you. Sarah invests $200 a month, starting at age 25 and stops at 35. Only 10 years of investing. Mike starts at 35 and invests for 30 years. Sarah puts in less money but ends up with $180,000 more than Mike at retirement. Why? Because her money had more time to compound. Start now. Even small, just start. So where should you put your money? Index funds and ETFs are the best starting point. They track the market, historically return 7 to 10% annually, and require no stock picking. Low risk, low fees, long-term reward. A Roth IRA gives you tax-free growth. Every dollar your money earns in a Roth IRA is yours to keep in retirement. No taxes on the growth. That is a massive advantage over decades. A high-yield savings account is perfect for your emergency fund or short-term savings. While regular banks offer almost nothing, high-yield accounts currently offer 4 to 5% annually. Safe, liquid, and growing. And dividend stocks are another powerful tool. When you reinvest your dividends, you buy more shares, which pay more dividends, which buy more shares. The cycle keeps going, and your wealth keeps building. Now here are 3 habits that will supercharge your results. Automate everything. Set up automatic transfers on payday. Pay yourself first before you spend a single dollar. Reinvest all your earnings. Do not touch your dividends or gains. Let them compound. Every dollar you pull out early is future wealth you are walking away from. And stay the course. Do not panic when the market drops. Time in the market always beats trying to time the market. Always. Here's the bottom line. Building wealth is not about getting rich quick. It's about making smart, consistent decisions and letting time and math do the work. Compound interest rewards one thing: action. So open that account today. Set up that transfer. Because 10 years from now, you will wish you had started today. Thank you for watching. Share this with someone who needs to hear it. Let us build wealth together.